Tiro calls himself Mzwandile Makeba to fake being a prosecutor so he can get Pablo to snitch on Mdala. Mthunzi is now free from Dambisa, and Buyu only wants Poet, but they insist that they come as a pair. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So, Tiro's lawyer found some evidence that there's a Pablo who's in prison that can snitch on Mdala. Tiro convinces her to go and talk to this Pablo guy. And then the lawyer goes to talk to Pablo, but Pablo insists that he can only talk if she guarantees him that he will get out, he will walk out scot-free by Christmas. But this woman being an attorney is like, nope, I cannot promise you that. But Tira's like, but why didn't you agree? You should have just told him, you should have lied and told him that you'll get it done, whilst you know that it's not possible. And then the lawyer says, I cannot do that. I'm a defense attorney. I can't go around lying. And then Tiro takes matters into his own hands, dresses up, goes there, pretending to be a prosecutor, calling himself Mzwandile Makeba, saying that he works for the prosecution authority, and they are reopening the case, that heist case where Dala and Tlamulo did a heist, and Tlamulo was shot but he got away, and then Dala was arrested. And then Pablo says, I wasn't part of that, but I know some information I can tell you. Only if you've promised me that I'll walk scot-free. Tiro's like, perfect. If you give me information, you'll walk. And then Mthunzi, they after praying for him and all that, he falls free. He goes back to his place. And the pastor says that you need to commit yourself because this is a long journey for you to heal properly. But Mthunzi says, I cannot stay in Joburg. I have to leave. Goes to tell Madlo Maguti, please say my goodbyes to the pastor. I can't stay for long. I need to leave. And then Ubui doesn't want Toriso involved. She says that the campaign only wants Poet. But they insist because they come as a pair. They do, if they have to perform, Toriso is on the desk and they're together. They do everything together. But Ubui is like, either Poet or the deal is off. What are they going to do? 2.2 million rand deal? Turns out Ubui knows Dintle. They meet up. I know Dintle wants there. I know when you like small boys, please stay away from Poet. Poet is married and is young. I tell you, when a poor girl, what Toriso can't see won't hurt her. Making fun of Toriso being blind. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.